think of a tropical rainforest, do you think of big green trees and noise-making animals?
If you said yes, then you're correct. But there's so much more. Tropical rainforests are more complex and have so much more information that people don't even think about.
We don't.
Like how much rainfall there is, what the climate's like, the layers, and how many animals live there.
True. Visiting a tropical rainforest would be an opportunity of a lifetime.
Alright guys, let's learn. Okay, so you're probably wondering like where the rainforests are, and I'm just gonna show you that. They're like right here in Costa Rica, down here Peru. Oh, they got a lot in Brazil. Some are down here in Africa. Oh, and then there's some like out in these islands. They got a ton of rainfall there, so there's just rainforest there.
There are so many different species of animals that live in the tropical rainforest, such as
The Bengal tiger,
the chimpanzee,
A king cobra.
the baboon,
the dawn bat,
The rhinoceros. Sumatran rhinoceros, that is.
the African forest elephant. The animals in the tropical rainforest also have very many adaptations to be able to live there. Like the monkeys, other animals are also used to life in trees and have special adaptations like long claws or tails or other adaptations to help them hang on. They usually have bright colors and patterns to help them blend in to the very exotic trees and plants there. A lot of the animals have a very strict diet that's on fruit because so much fruit grows there, and it's very hard to be able to catch prey when you're up in very high trees.
Some endangered species that live in the tropical rainforest are the Amazon river dolphin, the dawn bat, and the golden lion tamarin.
In the tropical rainforest, the temperature barely ever rises above 93 degrees Fahrenheit, hardly ever drops below 68 degrees Fahrenheit. An average of 50 to 260 inches of precipitation falls each year. It's pretty wet here.
Many foods and spices come from the tropical rainforest, such as chocolate,
Coffee,
And nuts.
and also it's the world's largest pharmacy because many medicines came from there. There are also many different species of plants living in the rainforest, such as the Bambusa tolda, which is a type of bamboo, the coconut tree, as you all know, makes coconut, and the durian tree, and also jambu, which is a plant that has leathery leaves that has a small little fruit in the middle of it. Look out!
As you all should know, there are 4 layers to the tropical rainforest. The emergent layer is the very top layer, which consists of 100 to 240 foot trees. The next layer would be the canopy, which makes a very thick umbrella. That's where most of the animals live, and that's where the food are. The trees there are 60 to 130 feet tall. The lower canopy, also known as the understory, which trees are about 60 feet tall. It's very shady, high, and it has very high humidity. Then there's the forest floor, which consists of just organic matter and shrubs. There's about 1% of light there.
Plants in the tropical rainforest have very unique adaptations. For example, the leaves have drip spouts. It's like a little narrow thing that prevents water to flow off easily to prevent the buildup of mold and mildew. Also, leaves are very large. This allows for massive amounts of sunlight to be collected, which ultimately helps undergo photosynthesis. The soil in the tropical rainforest is very infertile. Because there's so many plants, all the minerals and nutrients are just sucked up as soon as they become available. Also, the massive amounts of rain washes away a lot of soil. In the rainforest, tropical rainforest that is, there are 2 seasons. A very long wet season where it rains nearly every day, and also a very short, brief, dry season where it doesn't rain every day.
Tropical rainforests produce 40% of the Earth's oxygen, and it covers up 6% of the land surface.
It used to be 14% until deforestation happened.
Also, there used to be 10 million wild Indians in the Brazilian rainforest. Now, fewer than 200,000 remain.
Now that you know so much about our beautiful rainforest,
You should come visit us. Please
Please.
come to the tropical rainforest.
For further information, dial 1-800-TRP-RAIN. That's 1-800-TRP-RAIN.
Hello. What can I tell you about the tropical rainforest?
The end! When you think of the tropical rainforest, you think of... When you think of the... When you think of the... When you think of tropical rain...
Click and click
We should
again.
have blue... When you...
In the tropical rainforest, the temperature barely... The soil